What if I told you that a boy from a small village with no higher education, no money, and just a simple job fixing bikes is now earning $30,000 every single month using AI and YouTube? Yes, that's over $1,000. A day, every day. And before you think this is some filmy drama, let me be clear. This is a real story. In the next 2 minutes, I'll share it with you. After that, we'll go step by step, from making your very first AI video all the way to earning your first dollar. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start your own journey. The story. This boy came from a very small village. No English fluency, no computer degree, nothing fancy. He only studied till the 10th grade and worked at a bike repair shop, earning around $1,500 a month. One day he discovered AI tools. At first, he started experimenting with short reels and small videos upload TikTok and YouTube. In the beginning, his videos barely got 50 to 100 views. But here's the key. He kept uploading. He learned how to generate scripts with ChatGPT, record AI voiceovers with 11 Labs, design graphics with Canva and Midjourney, and edit his videos with simple tools like CapCut. Slowly, one of his videos blew up, then another. His channel, named How Motor, started growing fast. Fast forward to today, that same boy now runs over 40 YouTube channels with a full team, earning more than $30,000 every month. And I'm not telling you this to entertain you. I'm telling you because this is proof of what's possible when you use AI and stay consistent. Now, in the step-by-step roadmap, let's move into the most important part, how you can start today. Step 1, choose your niche. The niche you choose is everything. Don't go too broad. Go for something that has value and matches your interest. Examples: motivation, finance, health, technology, or self-improvement. Now here's the trick. Spy on competitors in your niche. See what they're already doing. Then add your own twist. If they're making videos like top 5 AI tools, you could make top 5 free AI tools you didn't know about. If you can sit down and write 50 video ideas for your niche in 30 minutes, you're on the right track. Step 2, create scripts with AI. This is where AI saves you hours of writing. Go to ChatGPT, Gemini, or DeepSeek. Copy this type of prompt. Write a 1,000-word motivational YouTube script in storytelling style with a strong hook and simple English. You'll get a full script in seconds. Polish it a little. Add 1 or 2 personal lines. Keep sentences short. This makes the voiceover sound natural. Step 3, generate voiceover. Use 11 Labs or Murph AI. Copy your script, choose a natural American or neutral voice, and download your audio. Tip, set the speed a little slower, around 0.95, so it's clear for the audience. And boom, you have a professional voiceover in minutes. Step 4, collect visuals and clips. Now you need visuals to match your voice. Use Midjourney or Leonardo AI to generate unique images. For example, prompt: a cinematic photo of a young man in a village with a glowing laptop, dramatic lighting. Add free stock videos from Pexels, Pixabay, or Unsplash. For advanced clips, try Pika Labs to generate short video scenes. And don't forget the thumbnail. It's the most important part. Use Canva, big bold text, a close-up face, and a strong number like from 1.5K to 30K. Make at least 2 versions to test. Step 5, edit with Canva or CapCut. Upload your AI voiceover. Add your visuals and clips. Sync them carefully with your script. Keep visual changes every 3 to 6 seconds so viewers don't get bored. Add background music quietly in the back, emotional but not too loud. And now your video is ready. Step 6, upload on YouTube. Your title should have both keywords and curiosity. Example: how I built $1,000 a day with AI, from bike repair to 30K a month. In your description, summarize the story in the first 2 lines, then add your affiliate links, timestamps, and hashtags. For timing, if you're targeting the USA, the best times are 6 to 10 in the morning, 2 to 3 in the afternoon, or 6 to 9 in the evening, Eastern Standard Time. If you're in Pakistan or India, just schedule your video according to those times. And here's the golden rule: stay consistent. Upload at least 1 video daily for 30 to 90 days. Step 7, grow with shorts. Don't just post long videos. Cut out the best 30 to 60-second moments and post them as shorts. Add captions so people watching on mute can still engage. Shorts will drive quick subscribers and push your long videos to more people. Step 8. Use analytics and retention. Go into YouTube Studio and check your audience retention. If people are dropping in the first 30 seconds, your hook is weak. Aim for at least 40 to 60% retention on a 10-minute video. The i.e., higher your retention, the more YouTube promotes you. Step 9. Monetize and earn. Your first milestone is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. That unlocks monetization, but don't stop at ads. Add affiliate links for AI tools or courses. Create your own digital products like templates, ebooks, or even a mini course. That's how $100 a day becomes $500, and eventually $1,000 a day. Step 10. Scale with a team. Once you get the system working, outsource. Hire a scriptwriter, a thumbnail designer, and a video editor on Fiverr or Upwork. Use a tool like Trello or Notion to manage tasks. Batch your work. Write 7 scripts in one day, record 7 voiceovers the next day, and edit in batches. This saves time and lets you scale to multiple channels. Daily routine. Example: 1 hour a day is enough to start. Spend 20 minutes polishing your script, 20 minutes creating visuals, and 20 minutes uploading. If you can spend more time, great, but even 1 hour daily is enough if you're consistent. Final motivation. Look, AI won't magically make you rich, but it gives you superpowers. It lets a kid from a small village with just a 10th grade education compete with full studios. The secret isn't the tools. The secret is consistency. Upload daily, learn from each video, and within 90 days, you'll see results. So here's my question. Are you just going to watch videos like this? Or are you going to take action and start your own AI-powered YouTube channel? If you have any questions or something isn't clear, just drop a comment. I'll reply to all of them. If you want to learn, I'll teach you completely free of cost. And if you'd like me to make videos on any topic, whether it's using Canva, 11 Labs, or anything else, just let me know. I'll create a full series for you. Now, if this inspired you, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, and share this with a friend who also wants to earn online, because your journey starts the moment you take your first step. Thank you.